Hi, I'm Sarah, and welcome to my story time. Join me, will you, in reading All Aboard the DinoTrain by Deb Lund, illustrated by Howard Fine. Dino Crew. All aboard the DinoTrain. They're loading up the Dino train with coal and lumber, oil and grain. And high above the whistle's chord ring Dino shouts of, "All aboard!" The Dino stoker shovels the coal. The flames are under his control. The Dino boiler builds up steam. Soon pistons pump a rhythmic theme. Farewell, the Dino families cry. With cheers, the Dinos wave goodbye. Adventures wait just down the track. We're off, they say, but we'll be back. The engine coughs and Dino chugs. The train moves like a line of slugs. We haven't traveled very far. Let's Dino push each railroad car. We think we can, they Dinos say. Our Dino might will save the day. The smokestack coughs out Dino soot. They sweat from Dino head to foot. The hill's too steep for that much weight, and so they toss the Dino freight. Without a load, they quickly climb and reach the peak in Dino time. A dark and narrow Dino tunnel sucks and spits them through its funnel. Out the chute and down the slide, a roller coaster Dino ride. They Dinos scream and squeal, yippee! And they wave their Dino arms with glee. When the cars tip left or right, they lean way in and hang on tight. "Oh no," the Dino brakemen shout. "The train won't stop. The trestle's out." And as the bridge is growing near, their joy turns into Dino fear. They clamber up and cling on top, unsure of how they'll Dino stop. They Dino duck and hide their eyes, but then they get a big surprise. They Dino rocket off the bridge while the train cars fly from ridge to ridge. The train goes on without a crash. We're Dino flying. Then, kersplash! They Dino groan, "How can it be? We thought this trip was water-free. What made us want to Dino roam? Let's shake this lake and head back home." They pile aboard a hand car there to seesaw back with Dino flair. They Dino pump instead of chug and make it home for one big hug. Though Dino tight in that embrace, they still find Dino dreams to chase. We'll never take another train. But how about a Dino plane? The end. Thank you for joining me in reading DinoTrain. Till next time.